Now, it's no secret that we Aussies love a good campfire feed, and I reckon damper would have to be right up there at the top of the list. But they reckon if you're going to change an old classic, it's got to be for the better. Well, today, I reckon we're going to be giving that a red hot nudge. We're going to be making Vegemite Cheese Damper. Now, if you haven't tried this before, it is seriously going to change your life. Let's get stuck into it. Add 250 grams of self-raising flour to a bowl, then add in 25 grams of butter and work through the flour until it resembles a crumb. Add a pinch of salt. Now mix in 175 mils of milk until the mixture comes together. Place your dough on a floured cutting board and roll into a tapered sausage that's small at one end and larger at the other. Now pat it flat and we're ready to get creative. Using a butter knife, spread Vegemite the entire length of your dough. Then sprinkle generously with cheese. Here comes the tricky part. We want to roll our dough from the widest end to the smallest. Now place on a rack covered in baking paper and pat some milk over the top to make it go golden brown when it's cooked. Don't forget a final sprinkling of cheese. Now into the camp oven, then onto the coals for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now be careful taking it out because everything's going to be hot here. How good does that look? Well, there's only one thing left to do, and that's cut ourselves a slice. Well, I don't think Camp Smoko gets too much better than that. Melted cheese, Vegemite and damper all together in one. It's a match made in heaven. Give that one a try, guys. Catch you out there.